To inspect and replace the air filter on your Ranger XP 1000, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface, ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Next, tilt the rear cargo box to access the airbox. Next, release the 5 airbox cover latches and lift the cover up and out to remove the cover. Now, remove the air filter and inspect it for excessive debris or damage and replace if necessary. If the filter has been soaked with fuel or oil, it must be replaced. Do not attempt to clean the air filter. Then, inspect the airbox for oil or water deposits and wipe away any deposits with a clean shop rag. Before continuing, clean the airbox cover. Next, place the air filter into the airbox and reposition the lower airbox cover and install the 5 retaining latches. Make sure the hinge pins are properly seated and cover is properly aligned when reassembling the airbox. Finally, lower the cargo bed. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.